Are you looking for the best legal online earning app to start making money from home? Keep watching. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So let me tell you something. I want to know, first of all, are you tired of looking for ways to earn money online and getting scammed? It's tough enough to know which apps are safe and trustworthy, right? Don't worry, I got you covered with some of the best legal apps that are going to help you make money safely and easily. So first you got Swagbucks, which is a popular app where you can earn rewards for doing simple tasks like answering surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. Another great app is called Inbox Dollars, which lets you earn cash by reading emails, playing games, and taking surveys. Now, if you like shopping, Rakuten gives you cash back for purchases at your favorite stores. For those who love writing, Fiverr lets you offer your services like writing, graphic design, and more, way more, to clients who need them. Lastly, FOAP lets you, I'll put them in the description, all these suggestions. FOAP allows you to sell your photos and, your photos to businesses to make money from your photography skills. With these legal online earning apps, you can start earning money today. So if you like these recommendations, leave me a like. Sorry for coughing. I love you. Ciao.